How to delete cookies in Google Chrome on iPhone. Cookies are files created by websites that can store information about you on your computer so that the website can recall this information each time you visit. Cookies can enhance your experience by storing your personal preferences, user history, and image data that makes a website load faster. To do this, tap on Google Chrome app. Tap the three dots menu. It's the icon with three horizontal dots in the bottom right corner. This displays the menu. Tap Settings. It's near the bottom of the menu. This displays the setting menu. Tap Privacy. This displays the privacy settings. Tap Clear Browsing Data. This displays a menu with options for clearing your browsing data. This includes cookies, history, image data, and more. Check the options you want to delete. The site data you can clear is as follows. Browsing history. This deletes the record of sites you have visited on your iPhone or iPad and all other devices you are signed into. Cookies, site data. This option deletes cookies from sites you have visited. This will sign you out of most websites, but it will not sign you out of your Google account. Cached images and files. This deletes image data and other media data from websites you have visited. This may make those websites load a little slower next time you visit them. Saved passwords. This deletes saved passwords and usernames that are stored on your computer that allows you to sign in to websites automatically. Autofill data. This deletes information such as your address, name, credit card info, email, phone number, and other information that automatically fills when you fill out forms online. Tap Clear Browsing Data. This displays a pop-up alert. Tap Clear Browsing Data. This confirms you want to clear your browsing data and deletes the items you selected. You have now cleared your cookies on Google Chrome on iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.